Yeah, that's everything I take in a day. Okay. And I can't keep doing it. This is stuff that keeps me healthy ish, right? Um, so I thought I'd take a second. I'm going to do a video with you guys. I've been doing this channel for over 7 years now. I feel like I got enough of following where I can share some stuff with you guys. Um, you know, uh, I'm gonna try to keep this kind of one take. So you're gonna hear me breathing through it, struggling to say what I want to say sometimes, maybe. Um, but I've, it's no secret I'm a big boy, and I, have some health problems, right? Diabetes, high blood pressure, everything that goes with being fat, big boys, Uh, I think it's time for me to, you know, work on cleaning up my act a little bit. I have been trying over the years, Uh, I've had the lap band surgery done, numerous weight loss plans and stuff like that. Um, I'm, you know, I'm type 2 diabetic. Um, I think these pills, I'm sure are helping me, stick around, and which, I want. I have a family of 5 kids. I want to be around and watch them grow up. But I I don't want to do it with pills anymore. Um, if I go to the doctor right now and they run blood work on me, uh, I am doing fabulous, especially for a big boy, right? But I don't want to do these pills. It feels like all the doctor wants to do is just throw stuff at me to make me, manage everything instead of giving me like kind of a healthy plan to, get off of these pills. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, and I guess a little vulnerable or whatever. Um, I need to make a change. I can't keep going on this way, and I need to find a way to kind of have a happy medium of exercise and diet, and try to kick some of these pills. You know, Going through a doctor. I'm not just going to stop things, right? But so all that is, I guess, to say that I want to use this channel as kind of a platform, use you guys as an accountability partner, if you will. Um, I, I want to make a change with this, right? And there's no better way to have someone kind of hold you accountable than throw it on the internet, right? Um, I think I have enough support going through, obviously besides my family, but my friends, all my YouTube creator friends and all that. Um, I think we can do some good things here, right? So I have a goal to lose 50 pounds, right, by my 49th birthday, which will be in July. So I'm just kind of cutting off the date at July 1st. I and then the subsequent plan will be to keep that 50 pounds off until the next year, which where I will be turning 50. All right, so I turn 50 in 26. So I think, well, I know it's doable, but how am I going to do it, right? So, a goal without a plan is basically a wish, okay? So, what we're going to do is for the next 2 months, I'm going to start a regimen of working out once a day, whether that's in the home gym that we're putting together. I have Olympic weight set out there. We have a Peloton. We have elliptical out there, and numerous weights. So we've actually spent the last couple weekends cleaning up the garage. We got some great shelving in there, gone through some stuff, threw out some stuff. So we have plenty of room to work out in the garage. So if I don't want to work out in the garage, I'm going to find a way to get exercise, whether it's taking walks during the day, which I might do some live streaming through. I got those Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so I might do some live streaming while I'm out on a walk, and y'all can keep me company. Or go on hikes, or take Mr. CJ to Disneyland, because when you go to Disneyland, you're walking at least 30,000 steps, right? And then the subsequent goal off of that kind of exercise is to get to 10,000 steps a day. I think I can make that happen, whether I'm working out or taking a walk on the elliptical, whatever. So that's step number one. All right. Step number two will be changing up the diet a bit. I'm going to be going to a more, macro following diet where I do heavy protein, less fats, and then even less carbs. I have an app that I've downloaded to track all that stuff. Um, and then, so I think that's, the first two starting off points that I'm going to be working on to do that. Um, then come April, sometime in the middle of April, I'm going to start the 75 hard program. Now, it's something that it's the guy who developed it is named Andy Frisella, and millions of people have done it. Millions of people have tried and not succeeded. Um, I'm going into it because I think a lot of people go into it thinking that it's a diet, diet plan, a diet challenge, whatever. I'm going to go into it, or I'm taking it for what it's worth as a discipline mindset change. Obviously, I have no discipline. That's why I have to take all these pills so I stay alive and not have, all the health issues, or well, I control the health issues with these pills, and I don't want to do that anymore, right? So my goal is, obviously to get off some of these pills, if not all of them. Um, I I am debating starting a second channel. All right, well, this would be a third one since I have the barbecue channel already. Following the journey of weight loss, getting my discipline right, my mind right. I have people already working with, talking to keep that accountability going. I think you'll see me do some meal prep Monday type things. I'm still gonna do a lot of the cooks that I normally do on the channel. Maybe try to find a ways to healthy them up a little bit. You might see some more vegetables on my channel, which it's a tough one. I don't like veggies touching my grills. You know what I'm saying? But I guess that's why I'm at where I'm at, right? So what I'm asking of you guys is, check in on your boy. You know, uh, if you see some changes, throw it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Obviously, it'll keep the motivation going, right? And the other thing is if you have a weight loss regimen that you like and has worked for you guys, throw it in the comments. I'll gladly take a look at it. If you have meal prep recipes that you guys like to use that are good on the macros, like I described, uh, throw it in the comments or email me, okay? And I'll throw my email address on here, okay? So you guys can send it out, and I'll put it in the description down below. Um, but I this is the first time in a long time where the itch to like lose weight and get in shape and get healthy again is really there. Okay. Um, so I'm dropping this on the 1st of February, I think, as long as I can get it set up and loaded. Um, but let's make some changes. Okay. I'm feeling very down on myself for this. I haven't had weight problems my whole life. I was a skinny kid until I started playing football in high school, and then I went from high school to college. And at that point, they told me I needed to put on weight, right, to go against bigger people in college, right? So I put on 35, 40 pounds in the summer of my graduating to freshman year in college, and kind of just kept going from there, right? Um, the thing they'll tell you to gain weight, but they won't tell you how to lose it or how to stop eating like you're playing football. And obviously, I'm 20 some odd years removed from that, but it still sticks with you, right? So this is where we're at, right? I hide, like, if you look at my view right now, obviously you can tell I'm a big boy, but I, kind of cover myself up pretty well. Broad shoulders, big arms, it kind of makes me look, relatively in shape. But, I'll stand up and, you can see the gut, my chest is going on. It's not a good look. So I've mastered filming, chest up, and even when I film these videos right now, I'm crouched over, kind of sucked in a little bit, giving you a good straight on look. So I need to stop fooling myself on camera. I would love to be able to do, wide shots while I'm cooking and all that stuff, and not feel, horrible about myself while I do it. Because the other part is I stare at myself all day while I'm editing these things. So I don't want to look at myself looking, all fluffy and fat, right? So, uh, like I said, you're getting all this right now. Like, I'm not gonna try to, I'm gonna watch this through, and I may cut here and there, but I don't think I'm going to. Usually on my videos, I cut out my breathing like that, right? I cut it out between every sentence or whatever. But I'm gonna leave it in so you guys can hear. I'm a mouth breather. I'm a heavy boy, so you know those are just the tricks I use to kind of trick myself on camera on my videos, right? So not on this one. You're getting straight start to finish, right? Right. All right, guys. I know it's not obviously not my usual content. It's late at night, but I've been toying with doing this video and putting it out there. But I find that most times when I put out something like this, or to my world, whatever, it really does help me kind of get through it. So I'm counting on all you guys, all the CJ's crew, to help me get through this. Um, I think I will eventually start a channel with going through the journey of getting back the health that I want to have, and whatever little journey I'm going on. Do some workouts, whatever, days in the life, do some meal prep on that channel too. Because I might as well. It helps me stay accountable, right? So we'll see about that. And if you catch this video a little bit later, I'll throw the link in the video description of the channel if I decide to go that way. So that's it, guys. For all the people that have supported me over the years on this channel and through the various social medias and stuff, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I always shout out the show producers, the people that have signed up for the membership on YouTube or on my Patreon or whatever. I plan on putting this stuff on Patreon too, so people over there can watch it. So the link's down below for the Patreon. You can hit the join button if you guys want to join on and help me stay on this little path. But this is where we're at, guys. I hope you guys stuck it out with me this far. It's not an exciting video whatsoever, but it's coming from my heart, and I'm kind of counting on you guys to help me out. Right? Right. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you so much again. Have a good one. Cheers.